Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first I want to say thank you guys for sticking with me through this journey. I know I've been kind of uploading here and there with the whole big, purchasing our house and everything like that. I've been trying to vlog and upload some videos for you guys. If you haven't seen the last two vlogs, which I'm kind of talking a little bit more about the situation, then I'll have them linked down below for you guys, so make sure to check them out. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ashley, and I'd appreciate it from the bottom of my heart if you guys subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I did mention before prior that I have some giveaways in the works, and those are coming, so just make sure you subscribe if you are interested in those. Today's setup is a little bit different. I'm just in my living room, my kind of empty living room. I don't have any makeup on. Today was just a chill video. I just wanted to show you guys what I purchased from Dollar Tree, so I didn't feel like getting glammed up and everything like that. Plus I am gonna be recording a makeup tutorial this week. Stay tuned for that as well, on a new palette that I purchased. But yeah, I just wanted to make it a chill video, you know what I mean? So I did go to Dollar Tree. I have a few bags here on the floor. I'm gonna take everything out of the bag so you don't hear that noise throughout the video. But yeah, I went to Dollar Tree and just picked up a few things, and if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up, then just keep on watching. I only lived in our house for 2 months, and I slowly want to get decorations for every season. That way I can fully decorate my house each season the way I like it. So of course that's gonna take years, because every year they come up with new things. Just not in Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, all those stores, like, they come out with their decorations. So throughout the years I'll be accumulating things, and I love to decorate, and I have a whole house to decorate, so why not? Alright, so the first thing I want to show you guys that I picked up at Dollar Tree, these really caught my eye, so I got two of them. Are these cute little scarecrows right here. Can't really get them in frame, but this is a top, and then I got this one, and it comes with like a little stand, so you can place these wherever you want. I thought that's really cute. It's just so adorable. So this is the first guy I purchased, and then I got another one because I just figured good things come in pairs. So I got this guy, and he has like an orange little vest and like some brown pants, and he also has a stand. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I was thinking about putting these like in the front of my door, but I don't know if they have enough weight to them to like stand, like if the wind blows or something. I'm not sure. I was gonna put them on this table here behind me, and just like decorate it for fall, but I don't know. This was just randomly there. I picked up these pipe cleaners. They look more like Christmassy to me, but they were literally like the only ones I saw, and they were in the fall section. But it says they're like, crafts and stuff, so I'm pretty sure they were like the crafting things were. But they come with 46 pipe cleaners, and I purchased these because I'm gonna make a wreath. I want to do like a DIY fall wreath with everything from the Dollar Tree. So I purchased these for that. Now the only thing I have not found yet is like the actual the metal like frame for the wreath. So I'm just gonna keep checking around a few Dollar Trees. If I don't find one, I'm gonna have to get one from either like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, Joann's, Walmart, one of those like craft stores, see if they have it. But I would like to keep everything from the Dollar Tree. But yeah, I got these pipe cleaners. I thought these work really cute for like my wreath and maybe like something else, but I only got one pair because I want to see how good they are and everything like that. I purchased these leaves. They're so freaking cute. So these are maple leaves, and this is what they look like. You get two for $1, and then they have little clips. So you can obviously put these like on a garland. You can put this like on curtains, or just wherever you want to put these, you can decorate them up. They did have, I think, like a green and like another color, I don't remember, but I did just purchase these because I want to see what I'm going to do with them first. And they do have glitter, but so far so good. It's not like really shedding a lot of glitter. Now if you do have a problem with something that you purchased from the Dollar Tree, or something in general that just has a lot of glitter, just take like a hairspray, a cheap hairspray from like Walmart or whatever, and just spray it, and that will make the glitter not fall off. So these are really cute, and I'm excited. The next thing for fall, which caught my attention, would have to be this like burlap sign. I absolutely adore it. So it says welcome friends, and it has a little sunflower on the corner, and it's a pumpkin, and it has a stand. Like, this is so, I don't even know what is the word. Like, this doesn't look like it's $1. Like, it shouldn't be in a dollar store, but you know, I like the little straw ball. I just think it's so cute all around. I think it's really cute. And the sunflower is like, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's like another layer, so it's like 3D popping out at you. And the friends has glitter. It's just really cute. So again, I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I don't know, like outside of my front door, on this table, I'm not sure. Mind you, I'm right here in front of my front door, so this is like a sofa table, and I have it here. I don't know if it's gonna stay here permanently, but we just have it here for right now, and I'm right by my front door, so I don't know if I'm gonna put this like right here. If you're interested in this back here, I did DIY this last year. Everything is from the Dollar Tree, with like the carvable pumpkins and a little bouquet of flowers and leaves, and those two little scarecrows, they're actually picks. I will leave the video down below for you guys so you can see how I actually made it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and it's super cute. I do have another pumpkin right here with the tag on it from last year that I didn't create the flower. So I then picked up this little guy right here. Let me see, this is a garden stake. So it just comes with a little stick where you would stick in your garden or whatever, and I thought it was really cute. I have like a little windmill right there, and then it says autumn, and it's a owl. I'm obsessed with owls. I love owls. Owls is like my favorite creature out of everything. Like, some people like dolphins, and some people like bears, and some people like cute things, and I absolutely am obsessed with owls. I love owls. So I saw this and it was $1, and I eventually want to have a nice garden in front of my house and stuff like that, so I figured, so it doesn't look so plain and naked, I'd get this for right now. I want to see how it holds up. If it does pretty good, then I'm gonna go pick up some more. I know they had like a scarecrow, I think. They had some other cute ones, but again, since I was obsessed with owls, I picked this one up. So we'll see how it does. If it lasts for a few days, if it's holding up pretty good, then I'll go pick up some more before they run out. For my front door, I picked up this welcome sign. They had a few different welcome signs, but I really like this one. It has the scarecrow on top, and then it just says welcome. I'm obsessed with orange, so you know I had to get this one. I like that it has a little sunflower detail there and some leaves. It's really cute. It's just really like simple. I like it, so I decided to pick this guy up, and I'll just hang it on my doorknob in the front door. So I just kind of moved the camera back just so you can kind of get a good view of it. Now I'm going to show you guys what I purchased for my wreath. So I got 3 of these decorated mulch. So I'm going to show you guys what I have like in mind for my wreath. So I got some of these mesh rolls. So I got a brown with gold detail. I got this like almost mustard yellow. Well, I guess you can say it's really yellow, and it has gold detailing in it. I don't know how well you can see that. And then I got this one, of course, orange with gold detailing on it. So these are going to be like the main stars of my wreath, and I just really like the colors. If I'm not mistaken, they had like a green one, almost like an olive green, but I really like these. These caught my attention. I like the color scheme, so I went with these 3. I then saw these ribbons. They were at the bottom, and there was only a few left, so I got these. This first one is just like that. It has green, orange, and like burgundy. I really like that. So again, it's like following the color scheme. And then the next one I got just has some like maple leaves and some acorns and all that stuff related to fall. So that's that one. Really cute. I got these ribbons right here. Like, these immediately caught my eyes because they're so cute. Like, so freaking cute. I'm actually gonna open it so you can see it.
A few moments later.
So I got a brown one and I got a orange one. I opened up the brown one so you guys can see. So these are ribbons. Like, look at this. They are freaking leaves. Like, isn't that the cutest thing you ever saw? Look at that. It's so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. And then I got the orange one. Like, that's just so cute. And you wouldn't think this would be at the dollar store. And it is. And you wouldn't think it was at the Dollar Tree, but since it was, I snagged it up. I was not playing. This sign, which is so pretty. They had a lot of beautiful different signs, a lot of Thanksgiving ones, and just a whole bunch of different ones. And some of them were really glittery. I know you guys have probably seen, if you like Dollar Tree hauls, you've seen the one that has like the brown pumpkin on the outside with glitter and like the fire truck in front. That one is so pretty, but I was just thinking about that glitter and I'm like, where would I put it, because it does like spin. But anyways, I got this one. It says thankful and blessed. It's a pumpkin. It has like the 3D pop out leaf right here. It has the straw bow right here, and I just really like that. So for what I'm thinking is I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the center of my wreath. Go ahead and hot glue it down, and this is what I'm thinking the center of my wreath is gonna be, and then all the other things around it. So that is what I have in mind for this guy right here, and it's really nice. I really like it. And again, it has glitter on it, but if you feel like the glitter is falling out, you can just spray it and you'll be good to go. But mine is good, not that much glitter falling out. It won't bother me. It's gonna be outside the door anyway, so that is that. Seen haul, and I was really interested in it, but I'm disappointed because I don't know if I picked it up and I didn't really notice it, but it has a chip right on the stem, but I guess it really doesn't matter. It's really heavy duty. Like, you could throw this on somebody and knock them out. This is like good protection right here. So it's just a nice white pumpkin, and it looks kind of distressed, and it just has like, you know, some kind of pattern on it. So it looks really nice, and then it has that leaf right on top. Again, it's chipped up there, but it's okay. It was $1. It doesn't really matter. So I only got one of these because I wanted to see what exactly I was going to do with this. Again, like I said, this is a good weapon. So if, you know, I want to have this handy somewhere, somebody trying to knock on my door, I don't know you, this is a good protection. But yeah. Anyways, I thought it was cute. It's white. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm sure I'll have a place for it. The last thing in relation to fall and autumn and Thanksgiving and everything like that would have to be these window stickers. So this one says give thanks. It has the turkey, it has some leaves, pumpkins, sunflowers, it has all that stuff on it. I just purchased it because I want to put it on my windows, but also because I have a toddler, so I think he'll enjoy that and helping me put them on the windows. And you know, every time we come home he sees them. I think he'll like that. So I purchased these, and I only purchased one because I want to see how they hold up and how they stick. If they do well, then I'll get some for my other window, because I have 2 windows in my living room. So if they look cute and they hold up well, then I'll go ahead and purchase some more for the other window. But this is what they look like. I thought it was really cute. I'm just hoping that even for $1 they stick at least. So we'll see. And then I purchased some random things. Whenever I'm using like a frying pan, if I'm frying chicken or if I'm making something and I don't want it to like splat all over my kitchen, I've been looking for one of these, but a few Dollar Trees by me didn't have one, so today I went to a Dollar Tree and they had one. So this is just a splatter screen. You'll just place this like right on top of your frying pan, and then, you know, it'll stop the oil from splattering everywhere. So I got this because it's definitely handy, and since I'm such a clean freak, I just hate that oil like splatters on the floor and then all over the stove, and then it's just more cleaning for me. This is definitely a really good thing to have in your kitchen if you fry a lot or whatever the case may be. This is really good just to keep it overall nice and clean. I'm searching near and far for these because I purchased these about 2 years ago and I needed some more. So these are shelf liners. They're non-slip shelf liners, and I've been searching for these black ones like all over the place. So in the Dollar Tree that I went to today, they had some, so I picked up 2. I think 2 would be enough, but if not, I could go back because they had a lot. But yeah, I like the black because 1, it's not gonna get dirty. 2, it just blends in because I have like dark, I'm gonna say like mahogany kind of color cabinets. So the black just really like fits and makes it work. I am going to be making a kitchen organization video and a bathroom organization video as well. So if you guys are interested in that, then definitely stay around, subscribe. But yeah, I purchased 2 of these because these really come in handy. I wanted to give these a try. I'm kind of I don't know if they're gonna work or not, but we'll try them for $1. So these are the Essentials vacuum storage bags. So I got I got 2, and they are large. It does say like the measurements on the bottom. So I got these because I just want to be able to put like my sweaters or like winter stuff underneath our bed and just like get it out of the way, because we live in Florida, we live in Central Florida, and it does get chilly here. Like sometimes it'll go down to 30, the most I think is like 25 it's ever been, and we do have like sweaters and stuff like that. So I just want to be able to put them underneath the bed and get them out of the way for the rest of the year. So I'm excited to see if these actually truly work. I'll let you guys know if they do when I do like my organization videos. But yeah, I got 2 of them for $1. You can't go wrong, right? So soap dish. I'm still in the works of how I actually want to have my bathroom decorated and whatnot. But I purchased this because me personally, I don't really use bar soap that often. I prefer more body wash. But the man of the house, he likes soap. He kind of alternates between body wash and soap. So I got this because right now we don't have nothing. It's just right there in the shower. So I figured, let me pick this up and see if it holds, if it works. Then he has something for the meantime. So just a little soap dish. Also got one of these for my Airwick freshener. This is the Sure Scents Fresh Linen Automatic Spray Refill. It says it lasts for 45 days if you left it on continuously. This smells so good, like fresh laundry. I really like it, and for $1, you can't go wrong with the scent. It's like a nice laundry fresh scent. So I purchased this to go in my Airwick. And then last but not least, I purchased 2 of these little bins. So they are really deep. Let me separate them. So they are fairly deep. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but you can see this. I can put it in there. They are fairly deep. So my idea for this is, because we're gonna be building like a whole like wardrobe thing in our closet. So I figured, let me get like I said, we live in Florida. Although we do get a little bit of a drop in temperature, it doesn't really last that long. So basically we can wear like sandals and flip-flops all year round. So since I have a lot of flip-flops and a lot of sandals, my idea is to take, like a pair like these from Old Navy, right? And just place them in here, and then have multiple, slippers, sandals, whatever. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you like haul videos like this or Dollar Tree videos, then definitely let me know, because I love going to the Dollar Tree. There's no shame in my game. I love the Dollar Tree. So definitely let me know if you guys want me to make more trips to the Dollar Tree and like share more DIYs with you guys, all that stuff. Just let me know. But I'll leave you guys here. So I'll go ahead and end this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.